Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai retirement visas, and the question being posed is, are Thai retirement visa extensions too complicated? I was talking to a client the other day, and basically, he literally, in fact, kind of threw up his hands and said, this is just too complicated. We were dealing with an OA retirement visa extension. This person had come in about a year ago on an OA retirement visa. They were looking at dealing with their extension, and they just kind of threw up their hands and said, oh man, this is just too complicated. Now, we're assisting this person, and ultimately, I think everything's going to be fine. They'll get their extension and everything. But I kind of understood his point with respect to the OA. And let me be clear, talking about an OA retirement visa extension as opposed to an O retirement visa extension. I'll compare the two in a moment. But basically what we're talking about here is, with an OA retirement visa extension, there's a number of requirements associated with insurance coverage that are not required with the O retirement visa extension. And to some extent, I understood this person's frustration, notwithstanding the fact that I deal with this every day. So to me, it's just kind of, old hat. To me, it's just like, oh yeah, it's something we got to deal with, and blah, blah, blah. Or to my staff, too. We're all kind of nonchalant about it, and it's because we just deal with it all the time. It's sort of like the way CPAs very nonchalant about taxes because they deal with it all the time. It's just what they do. So, if I came off that way, that wasn't my intention with respect to this particular client. But, when I was talking to him, I said, look, yeah, you happen to be in a slightly more complicated, if you will, retirement visa compared to the O retirement visa. And under the circumstances, you may want to look into an O retirement visa because the O retirement visa does not have those insurance requirements. And it makes it a much more straightforward process when dealing with extensions. So yeah, I kind of understood the notion that it's too complicated, but when we're talking about a retirement visa extension, it's a good idea to understand what type of retirement visa we're talking about.